Get ready for the ultimate blend of luxury, performance, and practicality, the 2025 Audi A7 Avant. This sleek, high-tech wagon is set to redefine what it means to drive in style. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi A7 Avant packs a punch. A turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivers an exhilarating 369 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive ensures maximum grip, while the smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission keeps power delivery seamless. The A7 Avant rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds. Adaptive air suspension and dynamic steering make every drive effortless, whether you're cruising highways or tackling sharp corners. Step inside, and you're surrounded by pure elegance. The Audi A7 Avant boasts a high-tech cockpit featuring a stunning 12.3-inch virtual cockpit display and a dual touchscreen MMI system with haptic feedback. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system take entertainment to the next level. Luxurious Valcona leather seats, ambient lighting, and a spacious cargo area make this wagon both stylish and practical. Plus, with advanced driver assistance features, safety is always a priority. The highly anticipated 2025 Audi A7 Avant is expected to arrive in late 2024. Pricing starts at around $75,000, with fully loaded models reaching up to $90,000. For those who crave performance, luxury, and practicality in one stunning package, the A7 Avant is a game changer. So what do you think of the 2025 Audi A7 Avant? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for more thrilling automotive content.